been to Bird's Bazaar? Those with their hands down, you don't know what you've been missing. Bird's Funfair have been coming here for 75 years. It's down on the fair green, and it's what most people, particularly the young people, remember about coming to Funfair. And this year, to mark the occasion, we'd like to make a small presentation to the Funfair Committee on behalf of the entire citizens of His Majesty's Kingdom, to Don Bird, one of the family, of the Bird's family who've been coming here. Don hasn't been coming for 75 years, probably only about 73, I'd say. Could we have a round of applause from Bird's Funfair, Don Bird. So Don, there's good news and bad news. Katie Taylor got gold, but you're only getting silver. This is a medallion that says 75 years at Puck. I better hold it out in case people don't believe me. Puck Fair, Birds, and it's my privilege on behalf of the Puck Fair Organising Committee to thank you for the great fun you've given Puck Fair for 75 years, and hopefully I'll still be around when you're here for the 150th. Thank you, Don.
Thank you very, very much to the very hard-working committee of Puck Fair, all the citizens here in Cloughlin. This is indeed a great honour, and it may be silver, but it certainly feels like an Olympic medal to me and to my family. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Ron. Thank you. What he forgot to say is if you leave the square now, there is free rides for everybody in Birds for the next 5 minutes. Thank you, Ron.